Hi, my name is Divakar Kinra, and I'm an endodontic faculty at CDOCS, and my tip of the day has to do with access burrs. And I have to say that, there's a lot of different access burrs that are out there, but I try to minimize the amount of work that I actually need to do in my practice. So I try to have really one access burr that can kind of do everything. And my favorite access burr is this one right here. This is a Lexicon Diamond access burr. It's a great burr that comes in sizes 2, 4, and 6. And in reality, I just use sizes 2 and 4 most of the time. I start off by taking a radiograph, not like this, but more like this, like a bite wing. And I take a measurement. And if you take a look at the measurements, the average distance between the cusp tip and the pulpal horn is somewhere around 6 millimeters. And the average pulpal height, doesn't matter whether it's mandibular or maxillary, is around 2 millimeters. So I know I got about 8 millimeters to work with. So what I usually do, and if you're a novice at this, what I would do is take this burr right here and put a little Sharpie mark on it. Put it right at 6 or 8 millimeters. And that way you'll know when you should be in the pulp chamber. That's my little trick to you to get into that access and make it easy and quick. And that way you know you're safe. And if you get to this point where, as you can see here, I'm in the pulp chamber, I take a radiograph. If I'm not dropped in by this point, I need to take a radiograph. And this is where you should know that you're in. So let's take a look real quickly at a video that I created here. You'll see we're joining in. And I love this burr because it just pops right through all ceramic crowns. It's great for all ceramic crowns, keeps them safe, doesn't allow them to crack, and really just pops right through. And then you'll see here the restorative material come out when you get to the crown. It's a really straightforward, easy burr to use. I suggest you put it in your armamentarium for whatever kind of restorative material you're going through. Thanks so much. I appreciate it and hope to see you soon. Thanks.